Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo XC60 brake light easy method. Park the car, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal before starting. Gather a replacement bulb, a flat tool, and gloves. I will walk you through accessing the rear lamp housing, removing the bulb socket, and installing the new bulb. Follow my pace and tips to avoid common mistakes and finish quickly and safely. Use a soft cloth and a trim tool to open the tailgate access panel and expose the lamp assembly. Unscrew the fasteners and keep them in a safe place where they won't roll away. Gently wiggle the lamp housing outward, supporting it with one hand to avoid stressing the wiring. Once the housing is free, set it on a protected surface and locate the brake light bulb socket for the next quick step. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after a garage session, because life is too short for a stinky car. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Grasp the bulb socket and turn it counterclockwise to release it, then pull it out gently. Remove the old bulb by pulling it straight from the socket and inspect the socket for corrosion. Insert the new bulb firmly, avoiding touching the glass with bare fingers, and reinsert the socket by twisting clockwise until it locks. Test the brake light with a helper pressing the brake or by applying the brake pedal carefully yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.